elastic limit. Elastic limit. What is mean by that one? My elastic limit. So, a particular limit, understand my word properly, ma. You are pulling the rubber band get expand, but after certain limit, the failure occur. The rubber band come to two pieces. So that time, the body it won't come to the original positions. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Particular limit only the body come to the original position. Suppose the body cross the particular limit, the body it won't come to the original positions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that particular limit, no, that is called elastic limit. Okay, the particular limit only the body comes to the original positions. Once it crosses the particular limit, the body it won't come to the original positions. So do one thing, just write on the notes also, ma. I'll dictate that one. Just write for every material. Just write, ma. For elastic limit is heading. Below that, write down. For every material, the property of assuming or regaining its previous shape and size is exhibited on the removal of the loading, comma, when the intensity of the stress is within a certain limit called the elastic limit. It's called the elastic limit. Next heading, ma, Hooke's law. Or you heard about this word before that? Stresses directly proportional to strain is called Hooke's law. But when stress is proportional to strain, when the elastic limit, the body is supposed to be in the elastic limit, then the stress is proportional to strain. Are you understand the concept, ma? I'll repeat one more time. Suppose the body within the elastic limit, ma, that time stress is directly proportional to strain. So what is name of this law? Statement. That is Hooke's law. Clear? So just write on the notes, ma. Shall I dictate the notes? Okay, write on, ma. When a material, when a material is loaded, comma, within its elastic limit, the stress is proportional to the strain. So anyone give the answer to my question, ma? Stress divided by strain. What will get, ma? Suppose stress is proportional to strain. Once you remove the proportionality symbol, what we can get in the right hand side? Do you have any idea, ma?
Constants.
Good, ma. Beautiful. Suppose your stress remove the strain, you can get constant. Okay. So this constant is called as Young's modulus. What is name of this constant, ma? Young's modulus. Young's modulus. The symbol is capital letter E, ma. Okay. What is capital letter E? Stress divided by strain. Okay. But listen properly here. Suppose tensile or compressive, listen properly. Tensile or compressive stress divided by tensile or compressive strain, ma. compressive strain, then compressive strain, then only called the Young's modulus. Okay. Some student asking question, sir, what about the shear stress divided by shear strain, sir? Shear stress divided by shear strain. That time also you can get constant, but that constant is not called as Young's modulus. Okay, ma. That constant is called as, you can get constant only. That constant is called as shear modulus. What is name of the modulus? Shear modulus or modulus of rigidity. Modulus of rigidity. The symbol, no, for modulus of rigidity. Sometimes some people they're using C or N or G. Any symbol they are using. We can use either C, N or G. All the ratio within the elastic limit. That should be there. Suppose elastic limit is not there now, 100% tensile stress divided by tensile strain, no, it won't called as Young's modulus. When it's called Young's modulus, within the elastic limit. Shear also like this. So within the elastic limit, word is very, very important.